On screen, a car multimedia receiver appears with a 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen dominating the dashboard panel. The Kenwood DMX129BT seems designed as a direct upgrade path for drivers who want modern wireless connectivity in a vehicle that did not arrive with it from the factory. At first glance, the interface appears clean and responsive, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto appearing as the two primary selling points. Both seem to connect without cables, which removes one of the more persistent friction points of earlier car receiver generations. One thing that stands out is the dual Bluetooth connectivity, allowing one device to stream music while a second remains connected for hands-free calls. This appears to cover the most common simultaneous connectivity needs for most drivers. Moving on to installation, the double DIN format suggests compatibility with a broad range of vehicles, though a compatible dash kit and wiring harness are typically required separately. The setup process for CarPlay and Android Auto appears straightforward once the physical installation is complete. From here, the touchscreen performance in sunlight seems adequate based on user reports, with sufficient brightness for daytime visibility. The included backup camera input also appears to add meaningful safety utility when combined with a compatible rear camera. Overall, the experience feels like a practical and modern infotainment upgrade for older vehicles. Some users may prefer a larger screen or higher resolution display. Depending on your vehicle compatibility and daily driving habits, the DMX129BT appears to offer a well-rounded wireless upgrade.